Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Hi on Oviyam. In this channel, we are exclusively learning about Tanjore painting from our master, Mr. Manoharan. We have already posted the first video about the plywood. If you have missed it, the link is in the description box. Please check it out. Now, for the first step in our Tanjore painting, once our plywood is ready, the first step is to stick a cloth on it. So here we have taken a cloth. The name of the cloth is Gada cloth. It is available in any cloth store. Now we have our cloth here. As we saw in our first video, the plywood measurement is 10 by 8. So here we have spread the cloth like this and we have placed our plywood on it. Now we have to take approximately 2 inch on all four sides of this cloth. So this is to stick the cloth on the edges. So approximately 2 inches is enough. Once we have taken the measurement, we have to cut the cloth. So once we have cut the cloth, it will look just like this. Now we have to keep our plywood and see the measurement is correct or not. Now once we have placed our plywood, so if you see on the edges we have extra cloth so that we can stick our cloth neatly. Now we have to make our cloth ready to be stuck. First what we should do, we have to take some water in a mug and we have to dip this cloth completely into that water. Once it's done, the next step is to take some Fevicol. We have to take this Fevicol in a bowl, add little bit of water to it. The glue should not be too watery. Once the glue is ready, we have to dip this wet cloth into it. Dip it nicely so the glue gets all over the cloth. Once it's done, now we have to spread the cloth over our plywood. So spread it nicely. In case if you have extra thread like this, we have to remove it. There shouldn't be any disturbance onto the surface of our plywood because it will disturb our painting. So once it's done, we have to spread the cloth nicely on the plywood and stick on all the four edges. Stretch the cloth nicely so that it's not getting wrinkled on the surface where we are going to paint. Fold the edges so that your plywood looks neat. The next step is to, on the back side, we have to stick some glue because the cloth should be stuck neatly and nicely to the plywood. So we have to apply some glue on the back side. Once it's done, now we have to turn to the other side. Here you can see some patches here, some white and black. So it means the cloth has not been stuck properly on our plywood. Now we have to take some glue and stick it nicely all over the surface so that the surface is even without wrinkles. And once it's done, let it dry. So we'll see you in the next video with the next step. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel so that you can learn more about Tanjore painting. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.